The Middle Ages are often portrayed as a time of ignorance, and one of the most persistent myths is the belief that people thought the earth was flat. However, this idea is a modern misconception. Medieval scholars were well aware that the earth was spherical, thanks to the centuries of preserved knowledge and their own observations. Ancient Greek thinkers such as Aristotle and Ptolemy had already demonstrated the earth's spherical nature. Their works, preserved through manuscripts and translations, were studied extensively in medieval Europe and the Islamic world. Educated individuals in the Middle Ages used this knowledge to understand the natural world and refined astronomical calculations. Symbolic maps like the so-called Isidoran map are often mistaken as evidence of flat earth beliefs. These maps divided the world into 3 continents, Asia, Europe and Africa, encircled by water. Far from being scientific tools, they were intended to convey religious and symbolic meanings, with Jerusalem often placed at the center to reflect theological importance. The myth of medieval flat earth belief gained popularity in the 19th century, fueled by writers like Washington Irving and historians such as John William Draper. They used this myth to depict the Middle Ages as an era of superstition, contrasting it with the progress of the Renaissance and Enlightenment. Throughout the medieval period, scholars like Thomas Aquinas and Islamic astronomers such as Al-Biruni expanded on ancient Greek knowledge. Their calculations of the Earth's size and its place in the universe were remarkably accurate, laying the groundwork for modern astronomy. References to flat Earth were more common in mythology, religious symbolism, and art rather than the scientific discourse. Works of fiction and allegory occasionally portrayed a flat Earth for poetic and thematic purposes, but these representations were never intended as factual accounts. The medieval world was far more advanced than its reputation suggests. While symbolic maps and religious art influenced how people viewed their place in creation, scholars of the time had a firm understanding of Earth's spherical shape. The flat Earth myth, as widely believed today, is more modern than medieval.